dance and tease you. Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze.
Hey guys, so today's hair's review is from Jessie's selection, and I'm just going straight to the video. I'm showing you guys the hair and all the goodies that they gave me with it. And here is the hair straight out of the bag, you guys. You can see the curls are beautiful, and I'm taking the mesh off. And look at that, like it's really a kinky curly hairline, and I'm loving that. I'm loving the new thing that they're doing now for it to look nice and realistic. So now I'm putting it on my head so that you guys can see originally how it looks like right out of the box. And now I'm zooming in so you guys can see it better. So this is how the lace looks. You can tell that it's really good quality, but don't worry, we're gonna tint it for it to look really, really good. And this is the hair, these are the edges. And you guys know to tint the lace to make it look nice and customized, I take my Fenty bronzer and I take this flat brush and I put it all over the lace like this. The reason why I take a bronzer and not my foundation is because my forehead is much darker than my face. So I suggest you use anything that is the same color as your forehead so that it could look nice and melted. And now I put it on my head, and you guys, where's the lace? Like, look at this before and after. This looks amazing. This is why it's so important to make sure you tint the lace. And yeah, so this is amazing, you guys. It's looking very natural. So now it's time to cut the lace, and I use my eyebrow scraper to do that. And I'm showing you guys the hairline and everything. But yes, I use my eyebrow scraper to cut the lace, and I never cut it just straight. I always cut it in an up and down motion. You'll see that I'm kind of going up, down, up, down, up, down. Because if you cut it in a straight line, it's much harder to blend the lace and to make it look like it's coming from your scalp. And now I'm putting it back on, and this is how it is. So one critique that I will say is that so the hairline doesn't really match my hairline. I feel like this is more for somebody with like a low hairline situation, but that's fine. We're still gonna make this work. But yeah, this is looking really, really good. We're going to lay it, okay, you guys?
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time.
And you could honestly wear this glueless too if you really wanted to. But yes, now I'm going to take my bronzer again and put it on my hairline, mostly because I do have a little bit of glue from before. And now I'm going to take the Got To Be spray and put it on top of the lace. And I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just laying it down a little bit, and then I'm going to take my melting band and put it on top of there. So while it's drying, I'm going to play with the curls a little bit to see what exactly I want to do with the hair. So I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks like when you finger comb the curls out. And as you can tell, the hair is so nice and soft. You could just tell from the quality. Like as I'm finger combing, my fingers aren't getting stuck in anything, and it's, you know, this is just really, really beautiful. The hair is really soft, and also I didn't experience any shedding while I was doing that. So I decided that I want a middle part, and so I'm just parting that over there, and you can see, you guys, this hair is beautiful. Look at the quality of it. You could just tell it's just it's really nice. It's the right amount of density. And now I'm going to take out the band, and yes, it looks white, but that's completely normal. We just have to take some more bronzer, or even if you want to, you could take a wipe and just wipe off the excess glue. But I'm just going to take a bronzer and put it on there, and it's going to blend it and make it look nice. So don't worry, guys. This is supposed to happen.
Baby, don't check for me.
Alright, and now because I really want the edges to show you guys, the edges are so crucial to this look because it's giving natural hair, okay? So I'm just combing it out very softly with my comb. And look at this, you guys. This is already a look in itself right here. This is giving natural hair. I think this is like a 4A type of hair look. But off camera, I did wet the hair. And I'm really liking this look. So now I just need to tame the edges a little bit. But you guys can do the edges however you want. You can leave it out. For me, I'm just trying to blend it in with the wet hair look. But yeah, this is really nice. So this is one look and I'm really loving it. But I'm adding more bronzer to it just so that it can look more natural. And what do you guys think? This is an absolute look. I am absolutely in love with it. This hair is beautiful. And you see how I just flipped it to do a side part? And look how it looks like it's really coming out of my scalp, you guys. And there is a little bit of glue right there, but you just have to fix it with some alcohol and you'll be fine. Shout out to Jessie's hair selection for this amazing hair. You guys, this is one of my favorite wigs. I've had it for a while and it has not shed yet, so that's a good sign. And again, the only thing I can say is that the hairline wasn't really matching my hairline. But again, that's completely fine because as you guys can see, I made it work. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, don't be shy. Just let me know in the comments below. Bye for now.
We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name.